Hey there, Amazon shoppers, it's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are talking about the best bed frames on Amazon. This one is gorgeous. It's a Victorian vintage style platform metal bed. It comes to us from Elegant Home Products. Elegant Home Products, you guys, if you haven't checked out their shop on Amazon, they have tons of really exactly that, elegant home products at really affordable prices, and they have thousands of 5-star reviews. Really great option if you were in the market for some elegant home products. This one right here is beautiful. It's going to look great, you know, in any space, any type of decor, and also throughout any decade. This is just going to look beautiful. It's stood the test of time. This is just going to be something that you know you can have for a long time, and it's going to look amazing. This is gonna have quite a bit of underbed storage. The clearance is over 12 inches, so you got room to, you know, store your winter clothes, your extra sheets and quilts, Christmas decorations, whatever. You got a little extra storage under there, which is always nice to have. This is also going to give you a 1-year worry-free warranty, so you can buy with confidence and you know that this is gonna last, and the manufacturer is gonna have your back if anything goes wrong. It's easy to assemble. You're gonna have clear instructions. It's all one box, which is always nice to hear. All one box, flat packed, really clear labels on what everything is, what all the tools are, and clear, easy to understand directions. You're gonna be able to put this together easily in under an hour and be on to having a great night's sleep on your beautiful new Victorian vintage bed. So go ahead and put this in your cart. You're gonna be so happy you did.